This fried rice recipe is my go-to when I don't have much in the fridge or just need dinner fast. It's my shortcut dinner, but it never tastes like one. We all love it. Now, I highly recommend making our fried rice sauce, even if you're not cooking the rice yet. It's amazing for fried rice, doubles as a stir-fry sauce, and keeps in the fridge for a while. Make it once and then come back and tell me all the ways you've used it. It's a good one. This is my I don't really feel like cooking and have almost nothing in the fridge meal, so I'm making egg and veggie fried rice. Whisk a few eggs with a pinch of salt, then chop whatever veggies you've got. I have carrots, zucchini, green onions, and frozen peas. Nothing fancy, just what's usually hanging out in my kitchen. For a bit of extra flavor, mince some garlic and grate a bit of ginger. You'll want a big skillet or wok, otherwise you'll be chasing rice around your kitchen. Start with your heartiest veggies. For me, that's the carrots, then add the rest: zucchini, the whites of green onions, garlic, ginger, and a handful of frozen peas. Now toss cold rice around the pan and pour in some of that sauce. You'll still have plenty left for another day. Push everything to one side, melt a little butter, and scramble your eggs. When they're softly cooked, toss them into the rice and finish with the green tops of the onions and some sesame seeds. You can absolutely build this up with more protein. I've got tips in the recipe for that on Inspired Taste. I've made this with shrimp, tofu, and chicken in the past, and it's been a major hit. We are always so happy with how this turns out, and I think you will be too.